You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to learn how to create a business flyer for a barbing salon brand. So I would like us to start immediately. So on the blank page of our design interface, we just come to the bottom of the screen, and then we click on this icon here on the bottom here. We just click on it, and then once we click on this icon, we change the color of the background. We just come to the color, and then we select a gradient color. Gradient color is the combination, or gradient color is formed from the combination of two colors to above. That is, we can use from two colors and above to form a gradient color. While this single color is just a color that makes up your background. So we just choose the gradient, and then we select. We just tap. So we just click on this plus icon for the gradient color selection. Then on this end now comprises the color characteristics of the right hand side, while this left end also comprises the color characteristics of this left color. So we choose the right end, and then we come to this color bucket here. We click on it, and then we just choose a brownish color, a dark brown color. Now we have 3 layer color. This color represents white. When swipe to the left, it changes to white. Then when you bring it back, it changes to the original color. Then this middle one, when you shift it to the left, it darkens the color, and then it darkens the color. So we have to darken the color a little bit. We just shift it a little bit to the left, and then this last side is to increase the transparency of the color. This is the transparency selection of the color. So we're not forming a transparent color. We just leave it totally, and then we just darken it here, and then we click on OK. Then we come to this left side, then we click on it. We come to this bucket also to select a color. So we can choose a white color, and to do that we just move this side to the left so that it changes to a white color, and then we click on OK. So we have white color on the left hand side, and then we have brown color on the right hand side. So to move this is to, let me say, increase the color space of the brown side, and then to move this we increase the color space of the white side. So that is how we work on gradient color. Or you can also use this part also to do that, and then use this part to do that. But what we're going to do now, we want this white color to be up while this brown color down. You can see the white color is at the left hand side and the brown color is at the right hand side. How do we change the alignment? We just come to this top side that has 6 different color positioning. So what we're going to do, when we click on this first left side, the position still remains the same. We click on the second side, you can see the white color is at the top and then the brown color is at the bottom. You do the same thing to other positioning. Can you see it? So that is how to do it. But if you want, let me say, the white color to be at the bottom while the brown color to be at the top, you just come to this place, just click on this down place here, just click on it. Can you see it? So the white color is at the bottom while the brown color is at the top, but I want the white color to be at the top. Just click here back, and then I want to reduce the color position or the boundaries of the brown color. We just come to this white side and then we shift it to the right. Can you see it? Then we click on good. So we've gotten the background color now. So what we're going to do now is to add our elements, our designs now. So let's get the name of the business. We just minimize and check. Okay, that is Best Salon. Then we continue. Then we add text. Okay, this is for the best. And then let's edit this text now. What we are going to do now is to come to this A icon at the bottom for text editing, and then we click on the font. For those of us that have not yet downloaded fonts, you can check in the description below to see the link on how to download fonts. Checking the fonts, we just select a very good font. that fits in the name of the business. So using a suitable font, using a very suitable font. Okay, let's use this font mask. So we just click on OK. Then let's change the color of the text. We just go to color. Then we use gradient color also. Click on gradient color. This gradient color we're going to combine. We're going to combine brown and black, dark brown and black. So just click on the color here. Just click on color, and then we select black color. And then we come to the left side, and then we select brown color. We just carry this center point to the left side of the wheel, and then we make a brown color. Can you see it? Then we click on OK. So we click on good. So this is it. So duplicate the text. Then we type in our salon. Then we click on OK. So this is it. Best salon. So this is so we align it properly. Align it properly. So let's add in their slogan. Just add text again. What we're going to type in here is sharp edges, smooth finishing. Right, so let's reduce the size of this text to come to this size, and then we'll reduce it. Let's reduce it to let me say 18. Then let's change the font. This is a very good font. So let's see this Gotham bold font. So just click on it, and then we position it here. Let's still slightly reduce the size also. Let's reduce it to 14. And then we position it. We just come to this position and then shift it to the right. And then let's change the color to a very dark black color. Can you see it now? Then let's add their services by adding shapes. We just click on this plus icon, then we go to shapes. Let's use a square, and then let's position it here, making it to form a rectangle, a vertical rectangle, by reducing the width here. Just reduce the width a little bit and then position it here. Let's slightly increase it. Okay, so what we're going to do is to put in their services. Alright, so these our services. Let's increase the size of the text. We just increase it here. And then after increasing it, what we're going to do now is to change the font. Let's use a very fancy font. Then let's increase the size of the text to make it visible. Just increase it. Can you see it now? Okay, so what we're going to do, let's lock all these layers so that there will not be any scattering of. So let me say your items are scattered mistakenly. What you're going to do to reposition them back is to come to this icon here. We call it undo icon. Just click on it, then click on it one after the other. They're going to be repositioned. So we come to this layer here, and then we lock every of the icons so that they will not scatter. Can you see it now? When you try to move them, they will not scatter. So what we're going to do, let's add their services. So just come to the layers again. Let's unlock these sharp edges. Just unlock it. We'll unlock it. We now copy it. Just copy. Then we'll copy. We now edit. you come to this pencil here and edit the services. So the services are and then we'll move it here, increasing the size. So what we're going to do now, well, let's give it space so that it will look more pronounced between the lines of the word. So to do that, we just, on the text icon here, we just scroll to the right and then we come to this line spacing. We just click on the line spacing and then when we increase it to the right, there will be space between the lines, but when we do it to the left, the space will shrink also. So we just increase it to the right. Can you see it? Then we click on good. So that is how we position these services as well. So let's change the text color. Let's come to the color and change it to brown. But let's make the brown to be more dark. Let's come to this plus icon here and then make it more dark by bringing it to the left also. Then we click on good. So can you see it increasing the size also? Alright, so what we're going to do next, we're going to add bullet points to each of these services so that it's going to look more pronounced. So before we do that, let's just position it here. Let's bring it down. Let's bring these services down also. Okay, so let's add the bullet points. To do that, we just add any shapes of your choice. Let's use the shape, this rhombus shape, and then let's change the color. Let's change it to brown also. Then we click on good, and then we reduce the size to fit in the size of the text. So to edit the shape, we just come at the right side of this A icon, just click on it, and then we go to we move the shape now to the left side of the text. To do that, we just come to this position and then we move it. Then we move it down. Can you see that? So to position your eyes so that you will see what you're doing very well, just come to this icon at the top. Just click on the icon at the top. When you click it, is to zoom. You just pinch your screen to zoom in and out, so we can zoom the text and know whether it is at the same line with the text, the shape. See if it's the same line with the text. So to stop the zooming, just click on this and then we continue our edit. Okay, so we copy the shape also. We just click on the copy, it's going to appear here. Then we move it, clicking on the position icon. So let's move it down. For it to be faster, we just increase the moving points or pixels. So we start moving it down. We move it to the right. Can you see that? So we do the same thing. We copy. When we copy, we position it down also. Can you see it? Then we reduce the movement a little bit to position it up. Can you see that? So we zoom out also. We click on this zoom icon. Now pinch the screen to zoom out. Then we zoom. And then we do the same thing. Let's zoom in to where we're editing it. And then we click and copy. And then we position it. Then we bring it down a bit. Can you see that? So after that, we now click the zoom icon and zoom out to see our work. Can you see that? Then can you see our work is almost ready? So what we're going to do, let's add the pictures of the barbing styles. So that's what we're going to do now. We just come to the plus icon here and then we select from gallery. Then you find wherever you stored and you click on it, and then you import the file, the picture. Let's place it here. Okay, let's add other hairstyles also. To do that, we just add shape also. Click on this add icon, then we'll go to shapes. We're going to make it in form of a rectangular shape. To do that, let's just reduce the sharpness of the edge here. We just come here to this radius, we reduce it, and you see here this side, so we'll reduce it. We now come down to the color, let's make it brown. So after doing that, we just increase the width here, and then we'll position it here. Can you see it? So let's increase the radius. We just increase the radius a bit also, totally to 100%. Can you see it? So let's add a white outline to the edge of the shape. We just scroll down to stroke, we increase the stroke. Can you see the stroke is black, so we change the color to white. We click on the white color. Can you see it? So let's reduce the thickness of the stroke. We just reduce it here. We'll reduce the thickness here, and then after reducing it, we just click on good, and then we position it here. Can you see it now? So let's start adding the different hairstyles, and to do that, we're going to put them on shapes also. We add shape again. Let's add a cycle. We come to this point here, and then we click on it, and then we select our cycle, and then we reduce the size of the cycle. We place it here. Alright, so click on good. So what we're going to do, let's put a picture of in this cycle. So just scroll to the right also, and then we go to texture, and then we select image of the texture. So let me locate my image. So you come to your wherever you keep your image file. Okay, this is it. You just click on the hairstyles, and then if you want to crop it, you are free to crop it. You add it. So if you watch very well, you can see it's appearing double. So what you're going to do now, you scroll down here to this maintain ratio. You just click on enable. Can you see it has maintained the ratio of the hair of the image? So after that, you just zoom out, and then click on good. So let's increase the outline of this cycle that is highlighted. So to do that, what we're going to do now is we scroll to stroke, this stroke, just click on it. Can you see it? You've increased the outer line. You can increase the width to 3 so that it makes it more sharp. So click on good. So what we're going to do next now is we copy the shape also. We copy the shape, we just click on the copy, and then we position it here, and then we go back to the texture and add another image. We just come here, and then we add another image. And then we do the same thing, maintain ratio, we maintain the ratio, and then we continue adding image also. Let's crop it to the hair, to the head position, and then we click on good. So this is how the flyer was made. So what we're going to do next is to include the address and the contacts also. So we add shapes, we position it here, so that to create a room where we can put the address and the contacts. So we copy from the text here, then we come to this A icon, we copy it, and then we include the text. We edit the text, and we say contacts, So let's reduce the size so that it fits in. Just reduce the size. After reducing the size, let's change the font. Let me use this font, and then click on good. Alright, so that is how we create a simple flyer designs for a barbing brand, a hair salon brand. So after that, we're going to save our work. You just click on this save. You come here, click on save. They will give you two options of saving. Then click on save as projects. So it will tell you what name are you going to use to save it. So you input whatever name you want to input, and then you click on good. So it has already saved as project, and for us to get access to this file, we just come to these 3 cycles here at the bottom left. We just click on the 3 cycles here, and then at the left you see my projects. Just click on my projects. Can you see what we just saved? So that is where it is saved. So to access it, you just click on it. It's going to access. So let's save it also as picture. We just click on the save again and save it as image, and then we choose the image format. Is it in JPEG or in PNG? Just click on JPEG if you want, or PNG if you want. So then you come to these dimensions, you click on it, and then let's save it as a high dimension. Then we save it to gallery. It has been saved. So let's check our gallery. So this is the picture.
Thanks for watching. I would love you to practice because it makes improvement in mastering this skill. Please like this video. I will also be happy if you have any questions. You can comment and you will get clear field on what to do. And finally, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to see any video being uploaded. I wish you the best.